Hey guys, check out this 30-inch Vanity with sink that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's a really beautiful piece that can work perfectly in your bathroom or wherever you want to place it. I think that it looks amazing. As you can see, it has this really beautiful design that I think that's gonna match perfectly any style. Built for solid wood, the Vanity brings warmth and durability to your bathroom, and its bamboo cabinet finish adds natural character and blend seamlessly into both rustic and any contemporary design. Assembling it couldn't be easier. All the parts are easily identifiable and the step-by-step instructions are really clear. You don't take that much long assembling, and overall it's really a breeze to do it. Its premium ceramic sink basin offers a lasting shine and effortless cleaning, and its pre-drilled faucet hole provides compatibility for a variety of modern or traditional faucets. And behind all of its rustic charm, we have a real-life convenience, as we have a large central drawer to keep your everyday items within reach, and the built-in shelf behind the louvered doors can store all your towels, your paper, and all your essentials really neatly and out of sight. The soft closing louvered doors glide effortlessly, combining durability with peaceful operation, and their ventilated slat design adds both function and farmhouse beauty. While compact, it's quite bold, and it can transform smaller bathrooms into serene retreats. It pairs rustic personality with a clean modern silhouette, the perfect harmony of charm and function. Built for everyday use, it's designed for lasting beauty. Every detail reflects the craftsmanship that stands the test of time. And overall, I think that it's a really great piece. I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys!